Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to build a deck on the Clash Royale game. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up the Clash Royale game on your device, and once the game is fully loaded and you have completed the basic tutorial, you will gain access to the main menu. Once you gain access to this screen, you will have unlocked a few achievements as well. So in order to see all of your achievements, tap on the collection item at the left side of the main battle screen. From there, you will be able to access your battle deck, your emote and tower skins, as well as magic items and banners, as well as badges. From this page, simply tap on the first option which says Battle Deck. Here you will be able to find all of your battle deck characters. These are all of the characters and spells that are available for you, and these can be used in your battle. You can tap on any item that has an upgrade available, which will be shown with a green arrow. Simply tap on it and you can upgrade using your coins that you have earned within the game. Tap on the upgrade option to upgrade any feature within your tower deck. You can find 3 different layers of deck that you can build for your battle. You can also build your deck for your tower by tapping on the tower skins as well. And that is how easy it is to build a deck on the Clash Royale game. You can keep on winning more battles, and this will unlock more characters that you can add to your deck and make it more strong. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to build a deck on the Clash Royale game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.